Here's the app called Ascendr, PSL Scale, Ascendr, LuxMax Score AI. LuxMax and Ascend PSL. PSL scores and face ratios, personalized softmax and hardmax protocol. Ascendr, PSL, Fay Rate, and LuxMax Scanner. Whether you search Ascendr or you found the right app. So Ascendr gives you real PSL rating and a clear roadmap to ascend to your genetic ceiling. So this is just what you can see in here, and then just double click to install it. I don't know, yeah, basically why it's taking like 8 minutes. Maybe it's a bit buggy, so I don't know honestly whether this app is legit or scammy. Yeah, but it has very little ratings. So if you want to use original PSL app, I would recommend this one from IQ Labs.